small boy yo Burkina Faso hwedima odi mo penfo mo gu Ghana ha munum mo hwedima from Paga to Burkina hwese ni wa range wo hu ne ya ma ya tim no aya say MPP na NDC ya kwato abama mo MPP ba de obeye no beye NDC ba de obeye no beye nti eye how kase ma ye
see a problem kase ni say MPP for penfo na omo wi aye sika no omo nyina omo say asase say yensuo ze chama wontimi a chini ne ba kunyi de o America Kenoforiata omo nyina ese etimi chi omo na eji esika etimi ji esika furu omo nchen a ebetimi asisi kro ndo mama ni mama obetimi ayekro na mana kona ni
enmo mana ye kofa ba no te se ho mu yusu no ma ya ebe sila ebo no mo to ma tete so ye hu hwe ebo no da so ejina de ejina ntia watanka ebo no etimi eden eba fo ma ye na ma yesu ekogina ho yesu etimi ayeden yetimi afa bi
as biscuit mo nte so bo fruit kwa first ka bo fruit ai ise bo fruit mo bo 5 cedi ko sia ton 4 cedis ise aba ma okopo ba krampa uni ska kra yem po ba pa.
The resources, what they are supposed to use the resources for, and they don't use it for that purpose. And now some of the resources, a fair baby, instead of baby on channel into development, and a biggest problem. Secondly, indiscipline in the part of your citizens.
How mesumi wo house hybrid ya the TV ya tie ho agwa bonten so a ye beje wo manfo adwenchire e de afa wo how atichu ha o my Ghana na yentimi emfa yentuma pa emfra enti kame wo osofo abna owu amofa na menje wo manfo adwenchire emfa sa asemi ye tap sen and also ya se a ye de ye sa asemi se ya no ye e de ebesomo e wa the TV eso kame ho na yenje o manfo adwenchire embra.
For me, I believe that one of the challenges that we are facing in Ghana is the fact that we don't believe in ourselves. When I say we don't believe in ourselves, I mean we don't believe in our people, like what they can do for us, in the sense that we are heavily dependent on imports. Because when you look at Ghana, for instance, there are competent people who can, like when it comes to manufacturing, we have people who are well able. When it comes to furniture, we have people who can do it. Even automobile, for instance, Kantanka cars, for instance. For me, I know that he brings the part over here and then he assembles it. But the question is, how many Ghanaians do patronize that? But here lies the case, we are always importing. And if we can look at it from that point whereby we begin to believe in made in Ghana product, patronize made in Ghana product, I believe the country will also to move on very well. Also to, depending on our attitude towards the government, towards what we can do to support the nation. I believe we don't have to wait for the government or like the president to come and do something for you, but what can you do to help the nation? What can you do to support the nation? When you are walking by the street, just look at the street of Accra right now. When you go to Tudu, La Paz, people gather refuse and then they come and dump it by the roadside. All these things are acts of indiscipline on our side. So when the rain comes and then there is a huge flood, who are you going to blame? Are you going to blame the government? No, you are not supposed to blame the government. You are supposed to blame the individual. So first, secondly, it's also to on our side. Thirdly, I believe also to the youth has to be very, very serious, because nowadays, when you look at our educational sectors, it's more or less like theory. Like there's no area for practical use. So if we can also to consider vocational skills, like it will help our youth to have something to do. Like when they come out from school, not always trying to join the long unemployment queue. Miss Anujuma Bia high bit my boy and say old change application. Me I be nice and I have a degree, but I'm not relying on that. I'm doing business. Yeah, so that's what I can say for now. Ghana
or how corruption. Corruption. Apart from say any corruption in Tia, Anka Ghana, Anka any problem. The resources, what they are supposed to use the resources for. And they don't use it for that purpose. And now some of the resources, a baby, instead of baby on channel into development. And the biggest problem. Secondly, indiscipline. Indiscipline in the part of your citizens. For example, rainy season when we say Bibia ensure coin and you got wetland areas now they are not supposed to build. When we say because Obi or Nimobinti in authority within Yabeka Semen see Hanumu, but we say within 3-4 months now I see because one in Penyimbi so and a problem they need long-term we plans to and problems long-term plan now for politics in Twinche NDCR what should be done if it is MPP to the same thing and there say a basa then now you better
Ghana hano ye how kese pa ni yempanyimfo no because eniema bi a omo from na kwan bi omo di nam so e wo mamu no in fact ha adwen bi say sia no ye beti e si we diska ye nchi obi an so no aban bi aba na ekoso a na ye de ben ekoso enti ye nchiri ma na se nchiri ma na beba no eye how kese pa de ma fi se mo panyimfo no ma ba na se mo no mutimi busa suban no a nchiri ma no so kwan be na o mo so be fa so e na o mo so daache no e be wi o mo sei ntimi ne me how pa no se ye panyimfo no titiro because panyimfo no ye no kwadifo na mo dwene nchiri ma no ho na mo dwene Ghana ho dia kenden ka be boa ye so ne ye hu ne sa because ye tinsem bebre titiro MPP na NDC ye to abawi ye hwe ne ye koso hwe nsem o mo keka so ho e ha ye ensu a sale Ghana ana eniema obia ton de price obia pe obia de gi eniema mienu na ha me Ghana ha pa
sino ensu na ese ne dem pa na ma ensu ni sei
nya galamsi ya na ese ensu ti se galamsi ni jai ne ensu ni yi a bebo o man Ghana
say sabi o ma ya tim no ye ne atum pen for say o mo amu aman maye ye se we nye na wo ya ba afi de obeba no the same problem ne wo mu nti e sa no e ma sa me campo en kan si manu a me matra bija ba 25 years fofo ho na odwo ma no ho obi a onya jimampo odwo no ho itu ko to bibia fofofo se se ya tete niema so se ya ko to ka hu niema de te anete no ma ye de kwa hinfa se ai me ka sa no onipa ba kumpo ndumi didi 2 times a day na je se ma na ye kwa hin wo hu eye sa na ma obia na mo adwobɔ no wontirim o sa se bi so onipa didi mi a adwobia ne ntirim na ye ma ye tim no aye se ye to abama mpemfo nse omo fa onya omo hu yi omo fa hu omo nya hu yi ntimi mi je ha no nyame anim e ka me kwampo anka mi te government aba aka yepe na enyina ne hu because se a hwe small boy yo Burkina Faso hwe dima odi mo pemfo mo bu Ghana ha munum mo hu adwuma from Paga to Burkina hwe se ne wa range wo hu ne ye ma ye tim no aye se MPP na NDC ye kwato abama mo MPP ba de obeye no beye NDC ba de obeye no beye nti eye how kase mai nti kaka mo kan no nti ye kan se ba ko ama mpemfo no ma omontie ne ye na Ghana ye ha na do so bebiri na mu ni emra nso mai na yeso yeto aba na enya ho fato dikakra mo waka no
ana afi ye adobafo no yes your house is here ye face nyina ne se aban bi aba adobafo ye ne ebo aban no ema obeba pa wa oba ba sa ba bi aba emra bi wa so wode ba anytime bi na kotia ye say phone to mu ya decent so a lot of friends so abi higher pa ma isia no ama edwuma nyina dey aba fam ye ti ama me ka san se kun se wa ma ebi mo 3 months se oboto de betu omo ne ma so ye nka ye nyina na ka ye nyina bo hye se nka ye nyina ba ne sa 3 months so do ba fu wa de tofu ye nyina ye pepepe by obi ntimi kwatene de so no obi ngomo obi 3 months e say de se na dey e de ba e sa se be si ama ukutimi epo kwadwuma de bo kofie bi abo a wonya 2030 e na de kofie enti sa ba na se ene wo hwe no nya bi mfa isi akwa so kan goto de ya spare pass no obi ene wa wate so ba wo say de ba for de yente ye loro fesu enuane e wo la panfa sa akra ba bi ene obi ene wate na de so sabi store kura wa ha opa busa bi ade ne bo store bi na so obi ade ne bo oton no enti se aba nhwehwe bi no nya fa ye ne adoba fo yense me tai no bebiri ya awre de bebiri constitute kra fair o mate fair no so mate fair so esa mo ti areton fo mo ton tare biscuit nya de ni amonte so because ye no drivers for ye bre na ke ye fair ne dan ke ye person combat drivers for ye fair so kra cause fair no ko ji obi senya ne no ono oku e say for malam from malam ebala pass ka first ye 6 cities e see ye 5 cities for Marco Barry first 6 see ye 55 oima because ye aduma ye so yes sir ka una for so mo nti say so no so oima any police asem po ne menka no matter for so anto mo sa da sisu bi any police ke so ye ngiri so ma ga ye ngiri so because ke be ya ko mo tete ni o ma no so what as biscuit mo nte so bo fruit kwa first ka bo fruit ai e say bo fruit mo bo 5 cd ko sia turn 4 cds e say aba ma okopo ba akrampa uni ska kura ye mpo ba pa oima ska de ade e wo bi sa de ska de ade ni asa wo fe because kebi na mi kebi so ati ase say brazier kwa me tumi to brazier ma me ge pint kwa me tumi to ma me ge ye bo wide uji am be power do say minis kan to mpeme ana be bo timi suma asem ka kan wo say ye mo nen pimpeni fo no ye pa mo cho fe no mo te so de ye no mo nya adwen ye fe no ye no mo nya adwen te no ano ma timi da se pa
aduane ye ntie so petrol nko na te so ye ntie bibia so bi o timi hama ne o tumi ya fo tumi ne ntie bibia so ma ye just by say what no different nko so ntie bibia so bi o ntie bibia so do ko de ta ne ta no bayire de ta ne ta no ahuman ye mtona na mtono anyam kuto zizes se na mtona na sa na mtono ye ntie so machine we meter before Xmas no 21,100 anyam kukuta ne body same price na ye ntie so enti de so ye ntie machine so enti min kasai mpacho mahama mesewara ene mana wotiti no tibibia asma mena from kankan aduane ye die bayire dokro ne board mi ti me pe dokro papa dokro ne nchinam me pe anso ne board minya sika mena to bia minya sika mena to enti wonti bibia asma ye na bibia nko ye nyeta wotina no fa nko aso wonti bibia so bibia wonti so na nko from afa so ma discount no specially finance minister na we discount former minister na we discount until that oyare kura nko for me Ghana ha ne hu so yare ampa ibo so yare ba ye hu so yare si woni ye hu no ati o yare na we discount ke ne woko ebi so bre mo nchine ma emfa ne mra ye nye sika na ebu ahunto no de metima kan no
enoma na ye kofa ba no te se ho mu yusu noma ya ebe sila ebo no mo tomatete so ye hu hwe ebo no da so ejina de ejina ntia watanka ebo no etimi eden eba fo mo maye na ma yesu ekogina ho yesu etimi eden yetimi afa bi etimi so me de no de mi hu no ti ama ze se ni bra ba pa ya so ayeshi because omo tomate so ba tie ye hu ye omo tomate so sila no ma no ye koto ate de ejina no sa na ejina ete so no mai e omo ta lolo fe ni de tomate so mo but ye hu eno ma no mo se de wo ko fa ye sin to ti ni den kwa sila no kwa po ne bo na den e ye den ti no eno mesre aban no so nhwe ho no so maye kakra
ade me pese me kan se o mampani no de ma ahokyere no eba sesi ama yensu ntimi tete ya ne ma so no se bia ode na adwen ba se bia edan ya te so yensu se ye kwa han dan ya esika no wo fama yensu betimi atete ne ma no so aton ne fo ntini ma bi wo ho ase wan tete so anyi ye amfiri ho a ade na ye ton ye ntimi nte so fi se mimi ntimi koto na bo de na me ton me de fofofo on rent so on fa price bi mra se bia chamber ho price say na da ho singing room say na da ho to the price na be bad there and obia betimi aton na adi fi so oton no 1 cedi ana say down the gi say ya wonim say bia ye be che no be ha no ono so be di o man no so mra na so pepepe ama ye so ye nyina ye ho atoye ne me so me waka no
sisi idea Ghana John Dramani Mahama president obetena so idea ya hu say enema ko kakra hwe dollar no e ba form kakra ntino the way e ba form no e boan by see a problem kese ni say MPP for na amu wiya yesika no amu nyina amu say asase say yensuo se chama wontimi a chini ne ba kunyi de o America Kenoforiata omu nyina ese etimi chiwo mu na eji esika etimi ji esika furu omu nchen a ebetimi asisi kuro ndo mama ni mama obetimi ayekuro na mana kona ni so what I say no the problem na no ye nchiwo mu na eji esika no we Kenoforiata de hia ne serious class obia o mabie na no nka de waye nyina ne ye nji esika nyina free no we cathedral we matu amana we ato no a discuss kesiye we say free Ghana etino Dramani Mahama de was starting a champion for no de o ene sa beboa en kesiye no the friend Osei Mahama oya dia osayeyi ene ne say sister wahu bra me bre wa ha na ye taxpayers yesika na akodi bakufo obotom ne ya ja sa manako dabi enti obi a yamane di brew aban mu bia no aban sisa ba o se ye frew na ehwe o kratem wa wa diska bia no na ya diska no enti se die yemfa agro emfa anya yi enti ye pese ye kira ban se mama mo eni oyo mo ni aduma waduma wo yo no koso na ye waduma e mo obi ehunahuna yes because madam bra mi bre wa ha na ye taxpayers na akodi baku for bottom dabi enti chama wontumi no ya hwehwe ni nsem ni ye na ba bia no kra bia da no omo fantu afi ewe ye finance minister de odwane ye no Kenoforiata ono so ye hwehwe no ono so ombra ni ye hwehwe ni nsem mu na die enti na watena ba mu na abansi saba Brian hwe okratamu afi wodwane na me yare na we asembe yekoka ne sen to no so mbra na hwe ne kratamu sika bi wo hono ma na yanje entemi so masem tietia wa no
ye dollar ene galamisi ne noa ne haye wo man nsa dollar ne kosoro na menie man so kosoro nsa isi ana aba fom no so edwadi fom an so monte ne ma so to monte ne ma so be boa ye to monte ne ma so na moa me na moa o man ne so na what sa omo teso a na me so matse meduane ne price ne so sanity sini so omo teso a say wa should bet 5 cedis mint 5 ma me ba bet 7 I didn't know 5 the entire mint 5 no munti mint ne ma no so sani affairs na etie no
I would say it's a lot but no what I would say is the biggest problem, which is why we as individuals in the country, is our behavior and our attitude. So
what are some of our attitude?
No, our lack of maintenance culture, how we think, how individuals think about stuffs, how to do the good things that will give us a betterment of our lifestyle. Because if you are able to work on our attitude, I think that's really going to help us. Forget about our leaders. Because before someone becomes a good leader, that's when the person works on his attitude, how the person behaves. That makes the person a better person to become a good leader. So I think that is the biggest problem that we are facing as a country.
And our man for Ediati and Mefa Hawa, Woman Ghana, ye Komua, to say, Haye Pa, Midi the Abna, Usua, Amufata, and a soya, senior, the Adrian train, Edifi, Abonten, so Edebro, that front to Yebesia, Ebu.
Mr. Mankwa. Me officer was saying this cabane de any project. As to the be a me officer come near what problem.
Enemremu. Namonte tap sending ka.
No so ne
Tap send easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I will buy any say.
Chine say won call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about anything.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubet me a call tap send app no create wallet also. And it's a rate in the costra now the Sikako wallet no. And I say, Pobet me to Susun kakra. And Tiabre Sema, Opes send this Sikaba Ghana. No answer was send this Sikanaba Ghana. And I say, Oba my Ghana more. What in here you Susikai or wallet no. Tia.
And you said to say you sumo Ghana hey no.
Sapa pepe. Says here tap send that trainer shim. Copium go United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, and Austria. Tap send now.
Papa no.